Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jammin0510 with another pickup. As you can see, I have two snapbacks, a t-shirt, and a shoe. Let's actually start off with this pile right here. This one is actually from an up-and-coming streetwear brand. They hit me up so I can just do a review for them. As you can see, it is from Blackroselab. As you can see, I have a snapback right here. This is the khaki and burgundy BR snapback. You can see they have the logo BR right there, stitched in very nicely. As you can see, it pops out. And then they have their logo right here in the side. Very nice. Again, this is stitched on. As you can see, it goes all the way inside. And you have the green underbrim. Stitching is very nice. Good quality hat right there. And this one right here is the ice cream rose tee. Actually a size large. As you can see, it's a tagless tag. It's right there. Let's see, you have an ice cream cone, but instead of an ice cream, you actually have the rose up top. This print is very nice, and then the feel of the shirt, again, it's a very nice quality. They're not using any type of like cheap material or anything like that. It's very good quality. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it right there. But it is what it says. It's 100% combed cotton. Very nice quality. And at the back of the shirt, again, you'll have their logo. A nice design of the rose. But again, hit them up. I'll put their website in the description. It's going to be blackroselab.com. Now I'll get on to right here. Another snapback right here. Just like to give a shout out to my man Laidback365. Again, this is actually his first edition Gunners International snapback. It was actually only limited to 12. And as you can see inside, the one I got was 3 of 12. Very nice stitching as well on this one. As you can see, everything is stitched through. It's not, like a little patch that they just, paste it on top. There you go. Again, nice quality hat. People who know Laidback, knows that he helps out a lot of people in the sneaker game. So big shout out to him. Again, there's his snapback. So get onto the shoe. Most people probably already know what this is. As you can see, it's the Air Foamposite One Premium. Most people know this as the fighter jet foams, the camo. As you can see, it's actually from, I got these from Footlocker. I actually got lucky by picking these up because when I did the launch online, you know, I struck out. So, you know, I was thinking that I had to go through resellers to get them. You know, when I was calling around, or, you know, going through Twitter, Instagram, most people were asking for, you know, 300 plus for these shoes. You know, and I almost bought it, you know, but since these were launched on Saturday, you know, I called actually on Sunday just to check if my local Footlocker had them still, and they said, yeah, come on down. So that's what I did, and when I got there, yeah, they were still available. As you can see, you know, they did come from Footlocker. So here they are. One shot right there. Shot right there. Okay. So as you can see, with these Foamposites, you get this tag. As you can see, it will say, let's see if I can get it to focus. Now it will say Anthony Hardaway, the number 1, and then his birth date, and then Memphis, Tennessee, and Nike Foamposite One. See the outsole right here. We have clear bottoms, you know, with the red grips, and the black, the 1 cent logo right there. And also, what makes this different from a lot of the other Foamposites is this carbon fiber. So you can see it has, instead of like the black and gray or black and white, it does have, it's red with black. You know, and pretty much the whole, you know, upper, this pretty much has this camo print to it. It's more like the snow camo. And then there's like little things that they added onto this, like, you know, it's saying, you know, danger right there. You know, and then you also have, you know, no step. And then on the back tab you have like a lightning bolt. Same thing on the tongue tab. And you have the 1 cent logo again on top of the tongue. And then you have right there. It's very nice. And inside, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but as you can see, inside it will have danger, ejection seat, you know, on this shoe, and the right shoe, and then on the left shoe, I think that's you know, right there. Again, very nice shoe. and with you know, laid back snapback, you know, it goes very well with it. So alright, YouTube, you know, if you have any questions, just let me know, hit me up. Otherwise, you know, comment, thumbs up, subscribe. Alright, YouTube, peace out.